Welcome back, children. Today let's start our class with a rhyme about fish. And the name of the rhyme is Machli. Machli means fish. Children, do you all remember the rhyme Machli Jal Ki Rani Hai? That you have already sung in your nursery class. So will you all join me for singing this rhyme? मछली जल की रानी है? Yes, are you all ready? Let's start. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. Children, let's sing it once more. Ready? Yes, very good. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. Very good, children. Clap for all of you. Children, till now you have learned 13 vowels, that is Swarakshar in Hindi. Can you tell me what are they? Loudly. Yes, it's a, I, U, Ri, A, O, Aha. Very good, children. Today ma'am is going to teach you consonants. Consonants means Vyanjan. Consonant letters means Vyanjanakshar. There are 37 Vyanjanakshar in Hindi. These are the 37 Vyanjanakshar. There are 37 consonant letters in Hindi. Let's say it. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, ksha, tra, gya, sra. Once more, children, will you all repeat after ma'am? Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, ksha, tra, gya, sra. All right, children. Today we will learn the first 5 consonants. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Children, our first consonant letter is ka. Ka se kalam. Ka se kalam. Kalam means pen. Next word, ka se kachua. Ka se kachua. Kachua means tortoise. Next vyanjan, second vyanjan, kha. Children, all of you repeat. Kha. Kha. Kha se khira. Kha se khira. Khira means cucumber. Next, kha se khargosh. Kha se khargosh. Khargosh means rabbit. Next, third vyanjan, it's ga. Ga. Children, repeat. Ga. Ga se gajar. Ga se gajar. Gajar means carrot. One more example. Ga se gadha. Ga se gadha. Gadha means donkey. Our fourth vyanjan, gha. Children, repeat. Gha. Gha. Gha se gadhi. Gha se ghadi. Ghadi means clock. Ghadi, clock. Gha se ghar. Gha se ghar. Ghar means home. Gha se ghar. And the fifth vyanjan is nga. Nga. Repeat, children. Nga. Yes, very good. Now let's see how to write kakha, gagha, nga. Are you all ready? Yes? Very good. Children, first let's see how to write the first consonant ka. Children, in the second blue line, draw a circle. Now touching the circle, draw a standing line. Next, from the middle, draw a curve like this. Then at the end, draw a slipping line on the top. Once more, let's see it, children. Draw a circle on the second blue line, then a standing line touching the circle, then from the middle draw a curve like this, then on the top a slipping line. This is how we write ka. Next, let's see how we write ka in your two-line notebook. Yes? Draw a circle, draw a standing line, then from the middle draw a curve, then on the top draw a slipping line. Once more, children. Circle, standing line, curve, slipping line. Understood? Next, let's see how to write ka. For that, in between the first two blue lines, we will make a half circle. Then from the end of the half circle, draw a curve like this. Stop it here. Now draw a standing line like this. Then make a circle in the middle of the standing line. See, like this. Then draw a slipping line. Once more. Half circle, curve, standing line, one more circle here, then slipping line. In your two-line notebook, again draw a half circle from the first blue line, Then draw a curve like this. Then a standing line. Then a circle here. At last, draw a sleeping line on the top. Once more, children. Half circle, curve, standing line, circle, sleeping line. Understood? Now let's see the third consonant. Draw a standing line from the first blue line like this, but it should not touch the third blue line. Then make a loop over here. Then next to it, draw one more standing line from the first blue line touching the third blue line. Then on the top, draw a sleeping line. Once more, children. Standing line, loop, one more standing line next to it. Then on the top, sleeping line. In your 2-line notebook, standing line, loop, one more standing line, and then sleeping line. Once more, standing line, loop, one more standing line, then on the top, sleeping line. Understood, children? Now let's see how to write the fourth consonant, gha. From the first blue line, write English alphabet C. Alright? Now from the end of the C, make a curve like this. But it should not touch the second blue line. Alright? Then make a standing line like this. It should touch the end of the curve. Alright? Then on the top, draw a sleeping line. Once more, children. Write English alphabet C. Then a curve like this. Then a standing line and a sleeping line on the top. In your 2-line notebook, write C. Then a curve like this, standing line, then sleeping line on the top. Once more, C, long curve, standing line, then on the top, sleeping line. Now the fifth consonant, nga. For that, draw a small standing line from the first blue line. Then write alphabet yes. Then a sleeping line on the top, and next to this S, put a small dot. Alright. Once more, a small standing line from the first blue line, and then write English alphabet S, then a sleeping line on the top and a dot next to it. Alright, now in your 2-line notebook, from the top blue line, draw a small standing line, write alphabet S, put a sleeping line on the top, and next to it put a dot. Once more, standing line, sleeping line, then at last put a dot. Children, all of you understood how to write ka, kha, ga, gha, nga? Will you all practice in your 5-line workbook and 2-line notebook? Write and practice, children. Also read ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Okay, now it's our activity time. Children, circle the starting consonant letter. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a pen. And pen means? Very good. Kalam. Ka say kalam. Which is the beginning consonant? Yes, ka. Let's circle it. Next one. Kheera. Kha say kheera. Is it kha, ga or gha? It's kha. Let's circle kha. And third picture, yes, it's a carrot. And carrot means? Very good, gajar. Is it ga, is it ka or kha? Which is the beginning consonant? Yes, it's ga, gajar, ga. Let's circle it. Next, ghar. Gha say ghar. Is it ga? Is the beginning letter ga or is it gha? Yes, gha say ghar. So let's circle gha. Very good, children. Let's move on to our second activity. Children, our next activity is draw a flower with 5 petals and then write the first 5 Vyanjanakshar. Let's start writing. In the first petal, which is the first Vyanjan letter? Yes, very good. It's ka. Kha. Ga. Gha. Nga. Children, all of you draw a flower like this with 5 petals and write ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Alright? Children, practice writing and reading ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Children, now it's our bye-bye time. Bye-bye. See you in next video. Take care.